Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to change your eBay account from buying account to sell account. So guys, open your eBay and choose any product. As you can see here, I choose this product, and from this product guys, you find the buying option. As you can see here, from example this product, just click this one and click this option. You find a buying option, as you can see here. After choose this product guys, you'll find buy it this, and if you want to convert to selling, just click this option sell, and from here you can list your item from your eBay and you can sell your item, and you can get your sell product, and you can choose when you can get paid. From here you can just list your item, and here you can buy, and here you can sell your item. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Quick, the video helpful for you, then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.